think if I look at my previous roles in my forwarding career, we've always looked at retaining the existing customer base, growing either by the existing customer base or new customers, and then improving efficiencies and productivity, right? I don't think there's any secret that most country managers or CEOs look at it in that way of how they're addressing their business. So if we looked at those improving efficiencies, productivity, retain and grow, what would you say the one or two things that we could do is helping a forwarder exactly do those areas?
The first thing is the productivity itself, right? So we have two aspects of it, depending on where you see our product fit in. Sometimes a product really cuts through the cost. Sometimes it cuts or increases the revenue. So I'll start from a point of cost, because pricing teams are always monitored and incentivized on reducing the cost for the organization. So what Freightify comes in is making a typical pricing manager productive by structuring all the manual information that's available from different sources. So in a typical day, a pricing manager is presented with at least 20 different Excel sheets. And also the pricing manager has to look at multiple data sources, at least 10 different websites to get a complete information of what their company procures. So what we do is, with Freightify, we help a pricing manager get all this information in an Expedia or a booking.com kind of a way, right? Because we are used to these tools to book flight tickets. Why can't a pricing manager inside freight forwarding company have access to this kind of technology to get all the information that they need without having to get into their mailbox or without having to look at multiple websites? So this is a clear productivity gainer, right? So what takes about 24 to 48 hours to look into all this information and package it in a structured way takes less than 2 minutes.